Hello, welcome to our Heritage Works. Today, we're making Andy's Mint cookies. The ingredients we'll be using today is 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of gluten-free flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, plus 1 tablespoon of shortening, a half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of chopped Andes mince. The first thing that we'll need to do is to unwrap each of the mints. Then we will go through and chop them. If you can't have chocolate, then Andes mints would not be the best thing to use. What you could use instead are carob chips and mint extract. This is a great recipe to have on hand for fall and through the holiday season. It's just nice and crisp, and it's always good to have a nice fresh mint flavor at the end of the meal. Today I'm making a single batch, but you could easily double, triple, quadruple this recipe and have it depending on the size of the gathering that you're going to have. You could also use a regular Toll House cookie recipe and instead of the chocolate chips, substitute your mints. As you can see, these mints are very easy to cut through. I just do a very rough cut. You could also use the mint chips in this recipe. You could make the mints bigger. You could just simply cut them in half and put them on top. There are a lot of variations to this that you could do. To prepare the cookies, we're going to take our dry ingredients and mix them together. Like in other cookie recipes, we're going to take our sugar and our butter and shortening, cream it together, then we're going to add in the egg and our extract, the rest of our wet ingredients, and blend it together and beat it until it's nice and creamy. Then we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients. Next, we'll mix in our chopped mince by hand. With our oven preheated to 350 degrees, we're going to go ahead and form little small balls on a parchment lined cookie sheet. Now, we should get about 18 cookies, 16 maybe, and I ended up with a little bit more than I expected, and they flattened out a little bit further than I want, so leave plenty of room between your cookies for spreading. Bake the cookies for 11 to 13 minutes. Mine took about 12 and a half minutes to get a nice lightly golden color on top. We're going to want to let these cool on the cookie sheet for 2 to 5 minutes, and then we'll put them on a cooling rack to finish cooling. The dough for this freezes well, and to store them, put them in an airtight container for up to a week, and sit back and enjoy the cookies. Thank you for watching.